In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a daily planner in Notion. Open your browser and head to notion.com. If you don't already have the app, the web version works perfectly for this. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. For a quick sign-in, choose the Google option. Select your Google account to continue. Notion will load your workspace. If you're in more than one, make sure you're in the workspace where you want your planner to live. At the top of the sidebar, find the workspace name and click the More option next to it. From that menu, choose Templates. Templates in Notion are pre-built pages and databases that save you from starting from scratch. They're especially helpful for planners because they come with ready-made layouts, properties, and views you can customize to match your routine. In the template gallery, use the search bar and type Daily Planner. This will filter to planner options designed for day-to-day scheduling and task management. Click a Daily Planner template to open its preview. Take a second to scan the layout you see. Look for sections like schedule blocks, tasks, notes, or priorities, so you can pick one that fits how you like to work. When you're ready, click Add to bring it into your workspace. Once the template is added, you'll see it appear in your sidebar. Click on Daily Planner to open it. You now have a fully functional page to build on. Start modifying it to your preferences. Rename the page to something meaningful, adjust headings, and personalize the icons or cover if you like. Most daily planner templates include databases for time blocks and to-dos. You can edit properties like tags, priority, or due dates to match your workflow. If you prefer a cleaner look, hide properties you don't use and keep only the essentials. Open the schedule section. Here, you can map out your day with time slots or blocks. Add entries like meetings, focus sessions, and breaks. If there's a date property, set it to today and duplicate the page for each new day, or use a database view that filters to the current date for a rolling setup. Next, click on Tasks. Add your to-dos with clear titles, assign priorities or categories, set due dates if available, and use checkboxes to mark items complete. Keep your tasks concise but actionable so you can move through them quickly. That's it. Your daily planner is live. Revisit the layout anytime, refine what you track, and let Notion do the organizing while you stay focused on what matters.